Title: Online Fortune, Unleashing Your Digital Wealth. Int. Home Office, Day. James, a motivated individual in his early 30s, sits in front of a computer, ready to embark on his journey to make money online. James, excitedly, "Alright, it's time to take control of my financial destiny. Let's explore the world of online wealth creation." Int. Internet search, Day. James opens his web browser and starts researching various online money-making opportunities. James, VO, thinking, "I need to find legitimate ways to make money online. Something that aligns with my skills and interests." Int. Freelance platform, Day. James discovers a popular freelance platform and signs up. James, amazed, "Wow, there are so many freelance opportunities available. I can offer my skills as a writer and start earning money." Int. Virtual meeting room, Day. James participates in a virtual meeting with a client. Client, enthusiastically, "We need high-quality blog posts for our website. Can you deliver?" James, confidently, "Absolutely. I have extensive experience in writing engaging content. I'll make sure to provide you with excellent articles." Int. James's home office, Day. James starts working on the blog posts, conducting research, and crafting compelling content. James, VO, excited, "Writing blogs not only allows me to showcase my skills but also helps me learn about various topics. It's a win-win." Int. Social media platform, Day. James creates social media accounts to promote his freelance services. James, VO, building online presence. "I'll leverage social media to connect with potential clients, showcase my portfolio, and attract more freelance opportunities." Int. E-commerce platform, Day. James explores the world of e-commerce and opens an online store. James, determined, "I have a passion for unique handmade jewelry. I can sell my creations online and turn my hobby into a profitable business." Int. James's home office, Day. James takes product photos, writes product descriptions, and sets up his online store. James, VO, eager, "With e-commerce, I can reach a global audience and offer my products to customers from around the world. The possibilities are endless." Int. Digital marketing platform, Day. James learns about digital marketing strategies to promote his online store effectively. James, VO, excitedly, "Digital marketing will help me attract more traffic to my store, increase sales, and build a loyal customer base." Int. Coffee shop, Day. James meets with a friend, Lisa, who is already making money online. Lisa, passionate, "Have you considered affiliate marketing? It's a fantastic way to generate passive income." James, curious, "Tell me more." Int. Living room, DAY. James and Lisa sit on a couch, laptops open, discussing affiliate marketing strategies. Lisa, explaining, "With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services from other companies. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission." James, excited, "That sounds like a great way to diversify my income streams. I'll definitely give it a try." Int. James's home office, Day. James starts researching affiliate programs, selecting products or services that align with his niche and audience. James, VO, motivated, "Affiliate marketing opens up new avenues for income. I'll provide value to my audience while generating revenue through commissions." Int. James's home office, Day. James creates content on his blog, incorporating